students. All of you are welcome to the online classes. Dear students, today we will write summary of the lesson Lorna Doone. Here I am reading the summary for you and you have to note this summary in your neat copies of English literature. So let's get started. Lesson Lorna Doone Summary. The story Lorna Doone is written by R.D. Blackmore. This story shows the picture of events happened in English society. John Reid was a boy who lived with his mother and sisters in Exmoor. His father had been killed by the Doones. John was a very responsible and hard-working boy, as after his father's death he decided to look after his family by himself. He learned to shoot and also learned about all the work of farm. His hobby was swimming and fishing. The Doone Valley tells us about the first meeting of John with Lorna, a girl who had been kidnapped by the same robbers who had killed John's father. After learning about all the work of farm, one day John went for fishing. It was a cold day of February. He crossed the little river. He was attracted towards a waterfall running down a steep, slippery cliff. He decided to climb the cliff as he wanted to see what was at the top. It was a hard climb that he lost his consciousness when he reached at the top. When John came back to his senses, he found a beautiful girl with large dark eyes and thick hair was kneeling beside him. She was very happy when John sat up. Both Lorna and John introduced them to one another. Meanwhile, they heard the shouts of the Doones. John wanted to have friendship with Lorna and to take her to home. Lorna refused and said, "No, I cannot do that." She told him that the Doones will not hurt her. She requested him that he must hide himself until they have gone. She also showed him an easier way out and John came back to home by the path Lorna had told him. Now, there are certain words of which you have to make sentences. So the very first word is gunpowder. Here I am telling you some sample sentences from which you can take the help but try to make sentences of your own. So the very first word is gunpowder. You can make the sentence of gunpowder like gunpowder was introduced in Europe during the first half of 14th century. And other sentence of gunpowder is the smuggler carried tons of gunpowder in his bag. And you can also make the sentence of gunpowder as it is dangerous for children to play with gunpowder. Next word is waded. Waded is to walk with effort through water. You can make the sentence of waded. The river was full, but they managed to wade across. And another sentence of wade can be the children waded in the shallow rock pools. And the traveler waded through the shallow stream and entered in the giant's castle. Next word is puppies. Puppies are the young ones of dog. Sentence of puppies can be one of the puppies suffocated inside the plastic bag. And you can also make the sentence like the puppies were parted from their mother at birth. And another sentence of puppies can be the puppies grow quickly during the first 6 months. Next word is cramps. Cramps are the sudden muscular pain. And you can make the sentence of cramps like muscle cramps often happen when you exercise in hot weather. Next word is slippery. Slippery, you can make the sentence of slippery like it is very dangerous to drive at full speed on wet and slippery road. And you can also make the sentence like the path beside the river was slippery with mud. So dear students, you can take the help from these sentences and try to make your own sentences in your neat copies of English literature. Still you have any difficulty, you can ask in the comment. You can also ask your sentence whether it is right or wrong in the comments. Do your work neatly. Thanks. Have a nice day.